Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I've got a Polygel kit that I'm going to do a review on. I'll leave it, I can't remember off the top of my head how much it was. I'll leave a picture up on the screen of how much it was. I think it was $26 or $27.99, but at the time that I got it, there was a £7 coupon that I had, so I ended up getting mine for, I think it was $22.99. Right, this is the company, or the brand rather, there. It says Luckyfine Polygel Gel Kit. I love this packaging, I like this hollow. And it's got like a galaxy kind of, I'm really sorry, that's as far up as my camera will go. But there's the box. I really like a good packaging, I do. Does it say anything on the sides? No. Let's have a look what it says on the back. So it just tells you what you get. Yeah, right. Let's just get this open, shall we? I do like that packaging. That's nice. Let's have a look, shall we? Sorry if this makes a screeching noise. Oh, it goes through me. Right, so again, that's just your directions, ingredients, which is good. I like to see ingredients, tips, and I think this is just all different languages. And it's got a little diagram there. That's good. How to use the dual forms. Right, let's have a look. Ooh, I see glitter. Wow. Right, let's start at this end, shall we? Right, so it looks like it comes with dual forms. Are they dual forms? Yeah, they're dual forms. I like that they come in a plastic pot. They normally just come in them flimsy things, don't they? And there's a lot in there as well. Right, so we've got some dual forms. Oh, look at this glitter. Oh gosh. Right, so we've got, looks like a kind of iridescent kind of glitter. Should I take the lid off? Oh, they're all sellotaped down. Let me get all this tape off. Right, so there's this one. It looks like a iridescent kind of blue. That's really pretty. And then this one's more like a green. I'm not going to open it. I think they're all very similar, like mixed hexes, and it's got a fine in there, in there as well. And this one looks like it's got a pink shift to it. I really like that. Really pretty. Oh, that looks like it's got some hollow in there as well. I really like that one. That one's cool. Right, so it also comes with a brush. God, these are packaged well. Oh, there's a file hidden under there as well. Nice file. So this is going to be your brush on one end and your picker tool on the other. Standard. And look, we've got slip solution. Yes. So many Polygel kits come without slip solution and you need it. So it's got a 30ml slip solution in there. That's sealed. Good. And again, look, we've got ingredients on the slip solution, which you don't normally get either. Right, we've got a base coat and a top coat. Wow, look at the size of them. 15ml on the glass bottles as well. Wow, I'm impressed. Base coat, I'm impressed. Looks alright. Let's have a whiff. Sniff test. Yeah, it just smells like base coat. And then we've got your top coat. Wow, they're big bottles, they are. Nice. I really like those, they're different. Right, the Polygel, so we see what colours they are. Right, so this one says natural pink. This one says light white. So I wonder if that's like a milky white. And then this one says, sorry about that, I've got my window open, clear pink and clear. Right, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use my hand, rather than just swatching them on tips, I'm going to swatch them on my hand. I have put only some little short tips in because I hate swatching Polygel, any product, on really long nails. I just think it's a waste. So yeah, I'm just going to swatch them on these little nails. I'm not going to use the brush only because I've got loads of brushes open and I really don't need to open a new one. But I am going to use the base coat, slip solution and top coat. So I'm just going to get some slip solution in my dapping dish, get set up, and I will be back. Right, I'm going to start by giving all the nails a coat of base coat. Does it say how long it needs to cure for? No. So we'll give it 30 seconds anyway in my lamp. I've not got my flexi hand on the stand because it bugs me. So yeah, I'm just going to give these tips a quick base coat. Right, that's them out the lamp now. I'm just going to wipe that tacky layer off. Right, I think we'll start with this clear pink. So I think it's just going to be a very transparent pink, isn't it? So yeah, we'll start with that. Oh, that squeezes out really easy. Really easy. I think I've squeezed way too much out there. And it's quite cold as well tonight. I mean, my house is warm, but that squeezed out very easy. I think it's because it's so clear. I have noticed using Polygel for the last few months, when it's a really clear Polygel, it tends to be a lot softer. But yeah, I squeezed way too much out there. My gosh, that is a very, very clear pink, isn't it? It's almost clear. Well, it does say on the tube clear pink, and that's exactly what it is. Clear pink. The slip solution's not great, but is any slip solution great? Not really. I much prefer using my alcohol, but it's alright. As slip solution goes, it's alright. Yeah, I'm just going to scrape some of that off the end of this nail because there's way too much on there. Right, so that's the clear. Clear? No, that's the clear pink. Just going to get that in the lamp for 60 seconds. That is so clear. So clear. Yeah, I'm going to get that cured for 60 seconds. Right, I'm going to swatch the clear next to this clear pink just because I want to see them side by side. Because that pink is so bloody clear. I'm not going to put as much on this time because I put way too much of that clear pink on. Right, and this is the actual clear. I don't think you're even going to tell much difference. You're really not. Should I bring you in a bit? I didn't realise you were that far away. Right, so that's the actual clear. I really can't see any difference between that transparent pink. A slight difference. You can slightly see the pink. Right, I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds and then we'll do the last two. Right, this is the natural pink. Oh, I like that one. That's a pretty pink. That's a very pretty pink. complete opposite to that first pink I tried. At least I know if I run out of clear, I've got a spare right there with that transparent pink. Oh, this is a beautiful pink. Bubblegum pink. A real bubblegum pink. To be honest, I was expecting this to be a bit wishy-washy and transparent as well, going off that first one. But it's not, it's really opaque pink, this one. This is going to be beautiful for doing nail beds, this pink. Yeah, I like that pink. That's such a pretty pink. Right, and lastly, we'll do the white. Even the white's very, very soft. Very soft polygel. Very soft polygel. Right, I'm going to get that cured for 60 seconds. It says a light white, but that's just a normal white to me. There's nothing light. I thought it was going to be like a milky white. But I'm going to get them cured for 60 seconds, or this last one. And I'm going to give them a quick file and a buff as well, so we can top coat them. Right, shall we get these top coated? They're cured in 60 seconds, even the pink and white. I'm pleasantly surprised with this little polygel kit. It's really, really soft, but it's not that soft that you can't work with it. It wasn't sticky. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised actually. That's the transparent pink. This is the clear. The clear's not very clear, but I can't get over that transparent pink. This pink is so pretty. Look at that. Proper pink. Oh, that's a gorgeous pink. Oh, that'd be so nice with a French nail with this white, wouldn't it? It really would. It'd be beautiful. Right, I'm just going to stick them in the lamp and then we'll have one quick last look at them. Right guys, that's that all cured. Top coat's really nice, there's no tacky layer or anything. Right, so that is the transparent pink. Very transparent, not pink at all. It's got a slight pink tint to it. Maybe if you put it on a bit thicker, it'd be a bit more pink, but yeah, it's not that pink at all. That's the clear, not very clear, but and this natural pink is such a pretty colour. I love that colour, I really like that colour. And then there's the light white that's not light white at all, it's just normal white. But yeah, I'm really happy with this little polygel kit, I really am. All the tubes are 30 gram as well, so I think you're getting a lot of polygel for your money there. And everything it comes with, slip solution, top and base coat, 15ml each, glass bottles. I think it's a really good budget polygel, I really do. Yeah, it gets a thumbs up from me. Anyway guys, bit of a long one, I'm sorry. But yeah, I quite like it, I'm quite happy with that. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up guys. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Remember to hit the little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, bye.